Erbe. Daniel is a Grammy-featured performer, a former US Army musical ambassador. Okay, now I think we're talking my language here, music. And leadership, communication, keynote speaker that's known for bringing elite performance mastery to moments that demand presence, credibility, and influence. Here to share with us his light, his life, his love. Please welcome Daniel. Hey, Daniel.
Honored to be here, Evans, and I'm just proud to be able to be on your event sharing love.
Man, it's an honor to have you. And I told you this backstage. I'll tell you again, you're looking super sharp, man.
I appreciate it. So, Evans, there I was, standing on stage in front of tens of thousands of people. And I hit the final high note, and the energy of the crowd rushed through me. But most people don't know is that 2 years earlier, I had to choose love. And that love cost me my career. And so for most of my life, singing has been my world. Opera, big stages, United States Army, performing across the country for millions. I love the stage. I love preparation, the discipline, that moment when everything goes quiet and it's time to step forward and deliver. But something deeply and lovingly, it doesn't mean it's going to be easy. I chased singing hard. Thousands of hours practicing, teacher after teacher, audition after audition, and I built a career doing what I loved. But my voice struggled. You know, there were seasons I thought I might lose it completely. And eventually I had to make a choice. Do I stay safe or do I choose the love that made me who I am? And I chose love. That actually meant leaving the military, leaving the career that I've known for 13 years, and leaving that identity I had built. No plan, just starting over. And you have got something like that in your life right now. And maybe it's not a stage, maybe it's something simpler. Maybe it's that love for cooking a hot, fresh meal, or the love for your family, or a love for a dream, a calling you've been ignoring. And you already know what it is, but the real question is, are you choosing it? And so after I left the military, I started at bottom. I'm knocking on doors for a living. I'm singing for small, unpaid events. Doors opening, doors closing, unpaid gigs. Just showing up again and again and again, relentlessly. And then one day, I'm back on the national stage and I'm singing in front of tens of thousands of people and singing with that same love that almost broke me. But this time, I wasn't singing from fear. I'm singing from peace. And in that moment, I understood what Psalm 40 means. He lifted me out of the pit of despair, and he set my foot upon a rock, and he gave me a new song to sing. And that rock wasn't the stage, it was choosing love. And here is the funny part. That lesson didn't stop there. When I started my business, I almost forgot it again. I tried to fit in what I thought I was supposed to be. Teach what everyone else is teaching. Market like everyone else. Build what I thought the market wanted, and I felt wrong. That same tension, that same pressure, until I realized I stopped choosing love again. What's always been true to me is the voice connection, helping people feel something when they communicate. So I built my work around that. And so, what does love mean to me? Well, it's not one big decision. It's a daily one. And every day I choose it. I choose the voice, I choose to sing, I choose to speak, I choose to write, and I choose to serve. Because my voice isn't just what I do, it's the gift I've been given to impact others. And now this is what I do. I help speakers and leaders, business owners, entrepreneurs find their voice, use it with confidence and command, and connect when they step into the room or on camera. So here is my question for you. What's the love you need to choose today? And so if you want help stepping into your voice and your presence, I've created something called the Star Power Starter Kit. It is my love gift to you today. And inside there is an exact 20-minute breathwork video I use every time before every major performance. So because your voice, whatever form it takes, it might just be the gift to the world. So grab that link below. And the first step to going after that dream is to choose it. Choose love.
Daniel, that was really, really beautiful. I'm a musician, and so I can relate with showing up on stage and sometimes just feeling insecure and realizing that a lot of it is because I'm in a mode of wanting to get, right? Wanting to get approval versus wanting to give and to serve. And I especially resonated with you just saying that, love is actually us choosing to share the gift that we are with the world. So thank you so much for sharing your love with us today. Thank you so much for the gift that you have also given us and our listeners. That's something that I'll be checking out. And thanks for being with us today, and blessings to you, my brother.
It's been an honor. Choose love. Choose that gift that you have been given. Go after it with everything you have. And remember, it is about serving and connecting and not just performing and wanting something in return.
Mm, I love that. Absolutely. Yeah, happy love day to you and yours, my friend.
Happy love day to you. God bless.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Wonderful, wonderful. These love days just turning out to be even better than what we had envisioned. It's just been a blessing to get to connect with different people from different parts of the world, different walks of life. But sounds like this whole love thing is universal, and it's something that unifies us. Each one of us